Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks so much for joining us today on Ludicrous Feed. Today I'm reviewing the Hills center console cover for our Tesla Model 3. And Hills is a new Tesla accessory brand. Let's have a look. Driven by a passion for functional design and an appreciation for the minimalist Tesla aesthetic, Hills engineered this product to integrate seamlessly with your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. This product was custom made to order in Germany, manufactured with precision and crafted using noble and natural wood. And viewers can get $30 off this first order at hillsmade.com. There's the coupon code right there. And it says this product is made from 100% real wood. Its packaging uses 0% plastic. So check out Hills. Okay, so today we're reviewing the walnut colored center console cover for our Tesla Model 3. And I chose walnut because it matches the original OEM wood finish for the dash. And of course this is available in other varieties of wood as well, and also for the 2021 and beyond refresh center console. And as mentioned before, this is all real wood material. And so there are 4 pieces. There's one there, the long strip, which goes under here, under the screen. We'll check that out in a second. And then we've got 2 flat pieces like that, and that covers the wireless charging pad cover here, as well as the door for this one, this bit here, and also this one with a hole in the middle for the drink holder right there, so that sits like this. And I just want to point out that it does feel very nice. It's definitely a real wood. You can see the natural grain in that wood finish there, so it's beautiful, nicely crafted. And on the back there's a whole bunch of 3M double-sided adhesive, so you know it's a quality product. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to clean the center console. And now you'll notice that we've actually got a wrap here already. Otherwise, underneath it's that piano black smooth finish which scratches quite easily. So what I'll do first is just give it a good clean, and this is just a baby wipe. Let it air dry with the baby wipe. Now I've got a lens cleaner cloth that you get with most sunglasses or prescription lenses, and I'm just going to give it another extra clean to get all the dust off and any residue from the baby wipe, just to make sure the 3M sticky sticks well. Okay, good. So I'm going to start installing it from the back to the front, like that, so this way. Let's have a look at this part here first. So there it is for the drinks holder, and I'm just going to start peeling off each section one by one. Okay, so we've got all the adhesive off, like that. Okay, I'm just going to very carefully install the drink holder now section, and you want to make sure it sits relatively flush here, so precision is the key. That looks pretty good to me there. Okay, that's good there. Alright, I'm going to press down over the whole section. Installation guide said about 15 to 20 seconds. I think this bit's important. It's that initial push down to make sure the adhesive takes hold, and also make sure the edges are pushed down as well. And that looks pretty good to me. That's fairly flush. And yep, that still opens for now. So, alright, that's the first section done. Okay, so the next section we'll do is this cover here, and just be careful, there are 2 flat bits, so make sure you got the right one. And they, it does fan out in shape like that, so if you lay them side by side like that, you'll know which one's next, because the big piece is for that cover there, and then this flat bit here is for that bit. So Joy's going to start peeling off the adhesive. So time to have fun now. Okay, there it is, all the adhesive paper is off. And the top edge actually bends up like that, so take note of that when you install this. Okay, so we're going to install this flat piece now. Again, edge to edge. Hold that bit down like that. And just lay it down gently. Make sure the top edge is flush. That's good, I'm happy there. Okay. Go. This may wobble around this 2019 center opening like that. That's okay. Push down like that now. Again, making sure the edges are pushed down as well. And man, that feels really nice on my fingers, I've got to say, and my hands. It's lovely. You can definitely tell it's real wood, so as I said, Hills have gone to a great lengths to make sure it's all natural. It certainly gives it a very classy finish. Very classy. So again, 15 to 20 seconds pushing down on the adhesive. And I've left just about a 1 to 2 mil gap there between the two panels because, you know, this is the section you open quite frequently, and I just, with the extra wrap I have underneath, I didn't want it to basically keep bashing on this bit here, so I'm pretty happy there. That's you know, opening pretty smoothly. Okay, so the second last section is this bit here. This bit doesn't actually get opened too often. We normally leave it open like that for our wireless charging area. So, which is why I sort of installed this further up so it doesn't bash in this part here. But let's do this section now. Okay, so Joy's lost patience with me. She's taking over. And the website does say that if you want to uninstall it, you can just pull it off, but there will be some residue obviously, and I find that acetone is the best way to get any sticky residue off in general. Thank you, Joy. Okay, so all the adhesive paper is off. I'm just going to tilt the screen up like that just a little bit. And let's install this now, again edge to edge. Nice and flush. Pop this down there, that's pretty good I think. Can't go too wrong. Again, I'm just going to push up like that. Again, it fans upwards this way, so make sure you install it in the correct direction. And I'm just going to push down for another 15 seconds. And pushing the edges as well, as Joy mentioned before. That's a lovely finish. Lovely. Looks really classy. I think it's changed the outlook of the car, to be honest with you. To get Joy's opinion shortly. Okay, lucky last is this little thin strip up there, and again, just keep in mind that it does fan upwards like that, so it's thicker or wider up the top than the bottom, so make sure you've got the right orientation when you install this last bit, which is all the way up here. If Joy can capture that here, this thin little strip up the top there, that's going to be reasonably hard to get to, but challenge accepted. So let's do this. So flip it over. Okay, again 3M adhesive pulled off. When you flick it back around, again orientate yourself, make sure you've got the right direction, and this is probably the hardest piece to install. There we go. I think there's some tolerance here because, you know, no one really sees this bit. You may want to lift this panel up to help you get it edge to edge, but once you're happy with that, then all you need to do is just push down again for 15 seconds. Okay, so there you have it. There's the Hills walnut coloured cover for the Tesla Model 3 2019 center console. Given this is Joy's car, we'll have to ask her opinion. So Joy, what do you think?
I love it. Yeah, it's really good. It brings that wood finish from the dash right down through the center console, so it looks really, really nice. It's kind of like, it's even sort of like shaped like a T if you think about it. T for Tesla.
Yeah, it's lovely. It definitely matches the OEM dash from the original wood. So yeah, great job. As I said, on the website there's plenty of other colours as well, and they've got covers for the dash and the wing panels as well, the door wing panels. So go onto Hill's website and check it out for yourselves. Alright everyone, this is the walnut coloured center console cover for our 2019 Tesla Model 3. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you at the next Ludicrous Feed video. As always, happy charging!